Converting a Figma file to HTML and CSS is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here for Figma. Now click to open the Figma site. Once you get into its site, click to open the file you recently created. Then tap to turn on the dev mode from the top right bar. Now tap on the rectangle and click to change its code from the right side dashboard. Click on CSS beside the code and you can change it into iOS or Android. Scroll down a bit and click to copy the layout from here. Then tap to change the code. Click on the Figma to code option and choose the HTML option from here. Now copy the HTML code of your file from here. Then, you can use the CSS and HTML code in your Visual Studio Code to generate the same design here.